Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 46, periodic classification of elements. In this worksheet we will discuss about achievements of Mendeleev periodic table and also limitations of Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev arranged 63 elements known at that time in the periodic table. So how many elements were there in the Mendeleev periodic table? 63 elements. According to the Mendeleev, the properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. This is the law of Mendeleev periodic table. Properties of the elements are a periodic function of their atomic masses. Means after regular intervals, same properties are repeated. The table consists of vertical columns called groups and horizontal rows called periods. These are vertical columns. These columns are called groups, while horizontal rows, these rows are called periods. Now we will discuss achievements of Mendeleev periodic table. So what were the achievements of Mendeleev periodic table? First one is Mendeleev kept some blank spaces in the periodic table for the elements that were yet to be discovered. Mendeleev ने क्या किया बच्चों? Mendeleev ने he kept some blank spaces for the elements which were not discovered at the time of Mendeleev. He predicted the name of elements as Eka boron, Eka aluminum and Eka silicon. The actual element, when actual elements were discovered, name was scandium, gallium, germanium. Second, he also predicted properties of some elements even before their discovery. क्या किया बच्चों उसने? He predicted properties of some elements even they were not discovered at that time and were later found to be correct. जब when these elements discovered, the properties were found to be correct. Now the comparison of property of one element is name of element is Eka aluminum. Actual name is gallium, Ga. Symbol is Ga. Atomic mass predicted 68 and actual 69.7, which is nearly close to the predicted atomic mass. Formula of oxide. He predicted the formula of oxide is E2O3 and actual Ga2O3, gallium oxide. Formula of chloride ECl3 and actual GaCl3. So all the properties of the element or mostly the properties of element were found to be correct as were predicted by Mendeleev. Third, Mendeleev's periodic table could accommodate noble gases when they were discovered without disturbing the existing pattern. What are noble gases? Noble gases are inert gases which do not react with other elements, that is why they are called inert. These gases were not discovered at the time of Mendeleev, but when these gases were discovered, they could be accommodated in the Mendeleev periodic table without disturbing the pattern or existing pattern of periodic table. Mendeleev took the formulae of the oxide and hydride formed by the elements as the basic property of elements for their classification of periodic table. किस बेस पर उसने क्लासिफाई किया पीरियोडिक टेबल का क्लासिफिकेशन? Mendeleev took the formulae of oxides and hydrides formed by the elements. Now we will discuss limitations of Mendeleev periodic table. First limitation is position of hydrogen. Mendeleev could not assign the correct position of hydrogen in his periodic table, as the properties of hydrogen resembles both the alkali metals as well as halogens. Alkali metals कौन सी हैं बच्चों? Li, Na, K. Li means lithium, sodium, potassium, etc., while the halogens are chlorine, bromine and iodine, etc. So properties of hydrogen resembles both the alkali metals as well as the halogens. Alkali metals से कौन सी properties resemble होती हैं? Like alkali metals, it combines with halogen, oxygen and sulfur and form the compounds. Compounds of hydrogen are with chlorine HCl and Na. Sodium is the alkali metal, it forms sodium chloride NaCl. With reaction with oxygen or combined with oxygen, hydrogen combined with oxygen form H2O, while the sodium combined with oxygen form Na2O. Similarly, when hydrogen combined with sulfur, it forms the compound H2S, and sodium combines with sulfur, it forms Na2S. So like alkali metals, it combines with halogen, oxygen and sulfur. Hydrogen also combines in similar manner. Like halogens, halogens से कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी रिजेंबल होती हैं? Like halogens, it exists as or hydrogen exists as diatomic molecule. Diatomic molecule means molecule containing two atoms. So formula of hydrogen is H2. It means one molecule of hydrogen contains two atoms of hydrogen. Similarly, halogens, formula of chlorine is Cl2, bromine is Br2, iodine is I2. So all these halogen non-metals, chlorine, bromine, iodine, are diatomic as or like hydrogen. And also both halogens and hydrogen combines with metals and non-metals to form covalent compound. Covalent compound क्या होते हैं बच्चों? Compounds which form by the sharing of electrons. So hydrogen combines with metals and non-metals forms covalent compound, as well as halogens also combines with metals and non-metals and they form covalent compounds. Second limitation was the isotopes of the same elements will be given different position. Isotopes क्या होते हैं? Isotopes are the atoms of same elements. Isotopes क्या होते हैं बच्चों? Atoms of same elements having same atomic number but different atomic masses. So the isotopes of the same element will be given different position, while these are the atoms of same element. If atomic number is taken as basis, which will be disturb the symmetry of the periodic table. Third, the atomic masses do not increase in the regular manner in going from one element to next. In some places, the elements having the higher atomic number were placed before the elements having the less atomic mass. So atomic masses do not increase in the regular manner in growing from one element to next. So it was not possible to predict how many elements could be discovered between these two elements. Now we will discuss question answer. First question is, who is known as the father of periodic table? Father of periodic table, Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev. So name of scientist, which is a Russian chemist. The name of scientist is Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev. Which important property did he use to classify the elements in his periodic table? So Mendeleev took the formulae of oxides and hydrides formed by the elements as the basic property of the element for their classification in the periodic table. Also, he arranged the elements in their increasing atomic masses. Question number 2. Mendeleev kept some blank spaces in the periodic table for the elements that were yet to be discovered. Name those elements and what were the name given to them. So you have to write the names of elements which were not discovered at the time of Mendeleev and their predicted name. Predicted names were of these elements were eka boron, eka aluminum, and eka silicon. These were the predicted name. Actual name were scandium. Actual name actually are scandium, eka boron, gallium, eka aluminum, and germanium, eka silicon. Next question is question number 3. Write achievements of Mendeleev periodic table. And question number 4. Write the limitations of Mendeleev periodic table. So children, you can write the achievements as well as limitations of Mendeleev periodic table, which are given in your worksheet point wise. Next question is, Mendeleev could not assign the correct position of hydrogen in his periodic table. Why? Because the properties of hydrogen resembles both the alkali metals as well as the halogens. Like alkali metals, it combines with halogen, oxygen and sulfur and form the compound, and like halogens, it exists as a diatomic molecules and combines with metals and non-metals to form covalent compounds. Thanks for watching.